Hi everyone, my name is Mariah. I'm going to be talking about how to create an academic report based on surveys. So first you would want to create a topic in which for my project we had to base it on learning about technology, in which our overall class topic was on the impact of social media and the effects on mental health. For my survey, I specifically based it on addiction of social media and how it relates to social comparison, which is the mental health issue. After creating a topic, you would want to create your survey questions, and this is done by first learning about how to create survey questions by reading a handout that was given from our professor called the Designing a Survey by Science Buddies. And after reading that handout, we were told to create 3 questions to help with our class collaboration, in which everyone created these 3 questions that they wanted to use and was put onto a document and was sent out to help with our collaboration to create more survey questions. And from there, we all finalized our survey questions that we wanted to ask. Here's the screenshot of the handout that was sent on how to create survey questions. These were my 3 original questions that I created for the class collaboration. This is the document that held all our class questions that we all created, from which we picked our questions from. And these were the finalized questions that I created to use in my survey. So after creating your questions, you'd want to create your actual survey. I used Surveymonkey.com, which was a free online website, and I inputted my 8 questions on there. And I also created my paper surveys. Here is the actual format on how my questions look on Surveymonkey.com. And these were the 2 links that I used to send out to my contacts. And the reason why I have 2 links is because the first link that I created only was able to collect 10 responses, in which I needed 15. So I just created a duplicate of the first link and with the same survey, and I just sent that out to the rest of my contacts to obtain those 15 results. Here was the design of my paper surveys that I gave out. So along with sending out my surveys, I created a message to explain the directions that my contacts had to do, and also gave them a brief summary of what it's for. This is the screenshot of the message that was sent out, and along with the link. So after doing all of that, you would want to actually distribute your surveys through online and paper. For this project, we had to obtain about 15 online results and 10 paper results. For the online results, it was distributed via iMessage to my contacts. This is a screenshot of the messages that I sent out to my contacts. So after doing that, you would want to calculate your results. I did this by using an Excel spreadsheet with formulas, and these formulas helped me with calculating the results for the questions. And I also created a visual using pie charts to see the overall view of the results. Here's the screenshots of my Excel spreadsheet along with the pie charts that were created. This is the screenshot of the same exact Excel spreadsheet, but showing the formulas that I've used. So after doing all of those steps, you would want to analyze your results by comparing your results to actual research. This is done by using reliable sources that you could find, and these are the 3 sources that I've used. These are the screenshots of my Surveymonkey.com results from the 2 links. And these were the results from the paper surveys. So after doing all of those steps, you would want to create your paper. This is done by looking at the results and making conclusions. This is done by creating the paper using research and reliable sources to create this overall summary and tie everything together, and also talk on those main points. Here are pictures of my actual academic paper. So for this slideshow, if you noticed, the design that I created is from the Filipino symbol of the Filipino star. For one, I am Filipino and I wanted to do something on my culture, which is the reason why I chose this. And also this was just a fun shape to do, and it was very interesting to create. Here's the screenshot of the original design. I just replicated it 6 times, and I copied it to create this repetitive design. Thank you all for listening to my presentation, and I hope you have a great day.